Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and we are back to Russia again. Today I'm going to show you a little bit what is happening in the flat which we are remodeling. Okay, so our friend's flat, and we have new windows. I was away for a few weeks. I went to different country, which videos from that country you're going to see very soon. It's Bulgaria. A new country for me, and maybe a new and different country for some of you if you have never been to Bulgaria or you don't know where this country is. So I invite you to watch the videos, and maybe it will be interesting for you. Okay guys, so now I want to show you. So while I was away, this is what we have on today's day, the windows. Okay, so they not finished yet. Well, they kind of finished. They have some bits to finish with it. I don't know what, but I don't know if you would look at all of this, you can see all of this came out. I have no idea if they're going to fix it or not. As the owner of the flat was staying here, well, not owner, but the other friend was staying, and when they were doing it, he kind of think that they're not going to finish this. So I don't know what to do. I took the pictures of it, and I'm going to ask in the office if they're going to finish it or not, because I haven't seen people who was doing it. But this is what it looks like at this moment. So you can see that's all how it looks. I don't really like the way it looks. I mean, the windows don't look too bad, but all of this unfinished things I don't really like. And also we have net which is already broken, and I don't know if they're going to complain, if they're going to say if we broke it, because like I'm saying, when you're not telling them straight away, they're probably going to complain that it's our fault or something else. So you see, it's not really magnetic yet, so I think this is what they're going to fix, well, finish. Okay, so well, that's pretty much it. Okay, so now I'm in the kitchen, and also that's the window, which is also looks kind of alright, but still with unfinished, like this corners, and like what I'm saying, I don't know, am I supposed to finish this? That's what I'm going to ask, because you can see that a little bit they did done, but some bits they left completely untouched, and they kind of smashed some tiles, and that's also because we were not planning to change the tiles. So I have no idea what is going to happen with that now, with, like, you know, all of these holes and things, you know. I mean, okay, at the top it's just a little bit up there to fix, but nothing major. But that's the windows. Well, kind of, they said it's finished, but like I'm saying, there is still some little bits left, and I have no idea how it's going to be afterwards. But also here looks alright, can't complain. I mean, it's like quite good, I think. Okay, I don't know, it's like a little bit heavy for me, but this is what it looks like. So, and also they have finished a little bit at the back. You can see that thing too, that was also included. And I don't know, there is also a little bit of net here. I don't know what, how could they, like, you know, making, but this is not too big, not as bad. So well, that's the update for now with remodeling. Okay, I was a little bit interrupted on the phone, and now back. This is the floor. I'm like a bit scared even to step on it, just in case it's going to break. I'm going to jump. Okay, just going to show you what is done outside, so you can see that little white step, and also window ceiling. Okay, it was also done. So like here they also fix it. Maybe they run out of that, and that's why it's not fixed inside. Maybe they still will do it, I don't know. We're going to see it when now they're only going to go come back in a few days, because it's holidays. So, but that's the from the outside, so the view. So well, that's it guys for now. We'll keep you updating you when it's going to be completely finished. I'll show you again, and well, if it's going to be any change to it, and I'll tell you how much the price was, because the price is including with the window, with the what you call it, ceiling. Okay, so the ceiling is not done yet, so that's why I'm not gonna tell you just yet. And also here a little bit, yeah, well, there's like the whole window ceiling from this view. Okay, so this is what it still looks like today.